I've been looking for a new job recently. What have you been trying to do recently? Have you traveled anywhere recently? I have not seen her recently. Recently. How many times do you want to keep using recently? How many times do you want to repeat this word, this adverb? Are there any alternatives to this adverb that we can use instead of repeating this adverb in a boring way? The answer is yes. In today's video, I'm going to focus your attention on all the possible alternative ways of saying recently in English without repeating this word. Are you ready? Of course you are. So let's get started. But before we do so, I kindly want you to like this video in support of this channel, in support of your YouTube English teacher. I help you with your English. You please kindly help me with the growth of this channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and leave a comment down below by telling me from which country you're watching these videos. Now, let's get started. The first alternative way of saying recently without using this word is by using this adverb, lately. Lately. We can use the adverb lately to say that something has happened recently. Something has happened a short time ago, or something has happened in the past, let's say, few weeks, in the past few months, or a couple of days ago, or recently. Let me give you an example. I've been feeling tired lately. I've been feeling tired lately. I've been feeling tired lately, which means I've been feeling tired recently. I've been feeling tired in the past few weeks, in the past few months, right? So I've been feeling tired lately. The second alternative to recently is just. Just can be used with both the present perfect tense and also the simple past tense. So when we use just with the present perfect tense or the simple past tense, we're emphasizing that something has happened recently. Something happened a short time ago. An example, she just finished her homework. She just finished her homework. She just finished her homework. I know, now you're looking for the third alternative way of saying recently without repeating this word. But what is it? We can use the phrase not too long ago. Not too long ago, not too long ago, as an alternative way of saying something has happened recently. So when we say something happened not too long ago, it means something happened recently, or something has happened recently. Something has just happened, or something has happened lately. So not too long ago. An example, we met not too long ago at the conference. We met not too long ago at the conference. We met not too long ago at the conference, which means we've met recently at the conference. The next alternative is in recent times. In recent times, when you say something has happened in recent times, it means something has happened recently. Something has happened lately. An example, in recent times, more people are working remotely. In recent times, more people are working remotely. In recent times, more people are working remotely, which means recently there is a larger number of people working remotely. Now let's get to the next alternative to recently, which is a short while ago. A short while ago. A short while ago. When you say something happened a short while ago, it means something happened a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago. Something happened lately, something happened recently. An example, he called me a short while ago. He called me a short while ago, which means he called me just a few minutes ago, just a few hours ago, just a short time ago. He called me just a couple of days ago. He's called me recently. He's called me lately. He's called me in recent times, right? Now let's focus our attention on the next replacement for recently, which is of late. Of late. Of late. When we say something has happened of late, it means something has happened recently. Something has happened lately, in recent times. An example, he's been acting strangely of late. He's been acting strangely of late. He's been acting strangely of late. He's been acting strangely of late, which means he's been behaving and acting weirdly and strangely recently, lately, or in recent times, or a short while ago. He's been acting weirdly or strangely recently. The next one is this adverb, latterly, 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 latterly. You can use latterly to emphasize that something has happened recently, lately, of late, in recent times. An example, she's been focusing on her studies latterly. She's been focusing on her studies latterly. She's been focusing on her studies latterly, which means she's been focusing on her studies lately or recently. So up to this point, you learned lots of beautiful phrases and also words that you can use instead of recently, one of which was latterly. Now, let's focus on the next one, which is newly, the adverb newly, newly, newly. We can use newly in sentences instead of recently, lately, to emphasize that something has happened recently. The employee hired newly is very different. The employee hired newly is very different, which means the employee hired recently or lately or as of late is very different. The next alternative way of saying something has happened recently without repeating this word is by using this phrase. As of late, as of late, as of late. When something has happened as of late, it has happened recently, lately. It has happened in recent times. It has happened of late. So we can use as of late. One example. I've been reading a lot of mystery novels as of late. I've been reading a lot of mystery novels as of late. I've been reading a lot of mystery novels as of late, which means I've been reading a lot of mystery novels recently. I've been reading a lot of mystery novels lately. I've been reading a lot of mystery novels in recent times. And the last alternative way of saying something has happened recently in English is the following phrase. A little while ago. A little while ago. A little while ago. A little while ago. When we say something happened a little while ago, it means something happened recently, lately, in recent times. Just, a short time ago. Or as of late, or of late, right? One example. I saw him a little while ago at the store. I saw him a little while ago at the store. I saw him a little while ago at the store. I saw him a little while ago at the store, which means I saw him recently, I saw him lately, I saw him in recent times at the store. That's about all, guys. So in today's video, you learned lots of beautiful alternatives, 10 alternative ways of saying something has happened recently without repeating the word recently. Now that you watched the video up to this very point, what I kindly want you to do is like this video in support of this channel, in support of your YouTube English teacher, me. I help you with your English. You please kindly help me with the growth of this channel to let it get exposed to a larger number of people. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and leave a comment down below by telling me whether you enjoy watching these videos or not. I'll be back soon.